made it. I didn't die on the way here. Oh, wait, wrong turn. This one. Woo! Fucking made it!
Ding dong drift!
I'm so cold! Oh my god, this was a bad idea. I forgot thick socks and I forgot gloves. This was a really bad idea. Anyone here? Hey, what's up?
Yeah, we got you. If you want to roll up, we'll get you going, man. You're our only driver today, so you pretty much got a pad round.
Oh, for real? Yeah. What the hell? People said they were coming.
Yeah, I know. People aren't here yet, though.
Oh, people usually not come this early?
Well, normally it's not so shitty.
Yeah, I know, dude. I'm fucking freezing. Look
Dude,
at
I
the
know.
windows.
What the fuck, dude? Hey, bro, we'll meet you down there, man.
Okay, just go up. All right.
Maybe about the pad.
All right. Okay, I'm the only one here so far, so this will be fun. Oh, yeah, baby. God, I haven't been here in a fucking year. I'm so excited right now. Woo! Gotta swap these wheels out quick. And get to drifting, boys. I'll be the only one. I just fucking run laps. Well, we'll see. I don't know how this car's gonna hold up. It'll be the first time drifting on this radiator. First time with the rebuilt pump. First time with poly bushings in the arms. So many first things. All right, ding dongs. The visibility. Yeah. I don't know if you can even hear me. The visibility is absolutely awful. As you can see, it's pitch black. There's one light. So, yeah, this is my first run. Let's see how it goes. What's the course?
Just the outside of a figure eight.
Outside, okay. Yeah, I had no idea where I was going.
Hey, no worries, bro.
I should probably just drive the course first. See what it looks like, where the cones are at, and then I'll get into it. But the pad is pretty wet too in like spots. It's like randomly wet. So that makes it a little hard. Oh, that dude almost went off track. Oh, that's a big drop. Whoops. My trans did not like that. Let's go see, make sure the trans isn't fucked. Everything looks good underneath. Okay, that was a little worse. First one was better. Hey, another light. Sweet. I really need a harness, dude. I am all over this seat. I'm trying so hard with my left leg to keep myself in the seat. Not fun. At least I'm warm now. This shit's a workout, dude. God, I love this shit so much. Alright, just did a little quick check of the car. Everything seems fine, so let's keep going. Fucking huge. This shit is scary, man. Those drops are fucking huge.
Yeah, they are, man.
Did you guys do that recently?
Well, they're getting ready to pave back there more, so they had to drop it down in order to make it level with the rest of the pad.
Oh,
and they just picked a really bad time of doing it.
Oh my god, dude, I've gone off twice.
Double kill.
Whoops. No, come back. My bad. Wonder if I scratched my paint. Garage paint took it like a champ.
Try to use like chill tandems on later, maybe?
I don't know, it's too slick.
Yeah, if that corner dries up,
Yeah,
better.
I spawn every time there.
That's the only corner that's like.
Yeah. The kid wants a tandem. I'm not. I don't want a tandem, dude. I suck. I don't want my brand new paint scratched. And I gotta drive home. Kid drove here with a roof rack. And he's sliding with a roof rack, man. That's some balls right there. I was doing so good. Woo, dude, I'm having such a good time. Oh shit. Moving the seat up and then tightening the belt. That helps a lot. So I'm able to grab the wheel a little easier. Yeah. My power steering seems really weak. Wonder if I completely destroyed the rack. Let's do an outside run. God damn.
Yeah, my two back tires went off the ledge there.
Did you call last run?
Fuck, I did.
Because that's usually what happens.
I did call last run. That's a fucking lie.
Yep.
Raise it up and see if I can just put it back in place. And then...
Oh yeah, look, coilover just popped out of the sleeve.
Oh yeah.
Man, that's crazy.
That's crazy.
That's a different arm setup. I got upper and lower arm. Yours is just held. So this dude has Micah Diaz E46 Hail Mary. He won it.
I got the Hail Mary at home, and then I got this little E46 too.
Yeah.
I just been running through tires a lot, so I leave it at home. But yeah, I bought a steering wheel. Won it from Micah Diaz. Went out there, picked it up in Cali, drifted with him.
That's crazy.
Brought it here probably 3-4 times now. So.
Yep. What's your YouTube channel?
YouTube channel is Sal Cuts. SALCUTS.
Yeah.
Same thing on Instagram too.
Yeah. I'll put that in the description and everything. So.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, dude. We were doing tandems today. That was sick.
Oh yeah. That was fun.
Yeah. So.
I haven't tandem with anything, not even the Hail Mary. So it was my first time tandeming all together.
Yeah.
That's fucking sick.
Yeah, it was my first time doing tandems. I did it with the Mercedes guy for a little bit, and then we were doing tandems, so that was dope.
Ding dong.
Hell yeah.
Ding dong. This is it.
Yeah.
Hook up Marty with the trailer.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
It's so much more relaxing.
Yeah, I know, because like I'm driving here, like I'm driving to here, and I'm like, are my tie rods gonna blow up?
Yeah.
And then I'm driving through here, and I go off the track, off the giant curb, and I'm like, my trans is probably blown up right now.
I blew my radiator here before.
Yeah.
And I was only a 10-minute drive at that point.
Yeah.
I had to drive really slow, and then I messed up the center support bearing, so it was just clanking on the windshield.
Yeah.
Once you get a trailer, you just feel more relaxed. Like,
Yeah.
I fucking up, whatever.
Yeah, exactly. So, man.
Good to meet you, finally.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. I always follow you, and I'm like,
I'm gonna try to come out more. It's just really cold now.
Fucking
November's here, and like next week, so.
Tuesdays were my days. Tuesdays there's only like 4 cars here.
Yeah.
And there's nobody else here, and you just drift around. And they don't put it out there much. I don't know why.
Yeah, they just have the group. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
I try to take advantage. Bring the Hail Mary on Tuesdays. Daily driver.
Yeah, that's crazy. I could never do that with a daily.
Me and Marty gonna do a ton of videos together. FYI, tandeming.
Yeah.
Teammates.
Yeah, teammates. You have to get an SC though. I only team with SCs.
Oh yeah. I gotta get another one.
Yeah.
I had a black one, but
Yeah.
that was just a lot of work.
Yeah.
I've always had E36 and E46.
Yeah. She's back. Dude, this fucking car is incredible. Drove 70 miles there, drifted for 3 hours, drove 70 miles back. Not a single problem. Except my power steering doesn't work anymore. I think I broke a lower hose there. I saw it leaking. And yeah, I think there's no fluid left. Nope, there's still fluid. It's pretty low though. Yeah, fluid's pretty low. So I think that's just what happened. There's a bunch of air in the system. I broke a little hose from when I went off track because as the day progressed, the power steering just kept getting weaker and weaker and weaker. Now it barely works. And it's that there's this little rubber hose connecting 2 metal pipes, and it just broke off. Not broke off, but it's like leaking. God, I'm so happy I got the drift. It's been so long. I haven't drifted in like a whole entire year. Literally, the last drift event was the one we went to with Sully. Yeah, that was the last drift event I've been to, which is over a year ago. It was crazy. Man, this car fucking rips. And seeing one of you ding-dongs, Sal, that was freaking awesome. Thanks for the tandems, dude. Dude, I can't believe he has Micah Diaz's BMW. I think he's got like 500 horsepower, he said, at the wheels, V8, LS, whatever. Yeah, so sick. I can't wait to see it. Hopefully he brings it out to an event. Hopefully the weather isn't so horrible. Hopefully it's not too cold. It sucks that it's dark though. It's kind of hard to drift in the dark. It would be nice to drift during the day. Thanks for watching, Ding Dongs. I'll see you guys next time.
America. Do you have your passport? Did you get your search?